Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for Shenfield. So let's begin. Shenfield train station is on the Great Eastern Main Line, 20 miles, 16 chains, 32.5 kilometres down the line from London Liverpool Street. The station serves the town of Shenfield in Essex, England. It's the western terminus of the Southend Victoria Line and the eastern terminus of the stopping metro services to London Liverpool Street and Crossrail/the Elizabeth Line. When the core section of Crossrail eventually opens, you will be able to catch the train from Shenfield all the way to Reading. When the station opened in 1843, it had 3 platforms. It now has 6. Shenfield Station was opened by the Eastern Counties Railway Company on the 29th of March 1843. The station is managed by Greater Anglia and served by Greater Anglia and TfL Rail. Oyster card readers were installed in 2013. Its 3-letter code is SNF. And in 2019 to 2020, the station was used by 4.171 million people. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts with Boom. Please subscribe and remember to stay alert.